And what's up, guys? Today we are going to play Blocks Fruits now, and I'm using smoke, but now I'm going to use light. So let's use it. So guys, here's the light fruit. As you can see it. So now let's eat the light fruit. Yummy. So now I have the light fruit. Let's go to the Pirate Island. But now I need a code. So let's see if I remember one code. Let's see. Let's I don't have any code right now. Can you please give me one code in the comments? Now let's see if I can get a code. Um mm, I don't know if I can get a code. I think I don't I don't have a code now. I I think I use it all my code now, I guess. So let's head to the ano nga ulit yun? Wait. Uh, Pirate Island. Let's go to the Pirate Island. Nakalimutan pa. And guys, now we are here. So let's start grinding now. Yo. I'm a devil fruit user. I can swim. Here we go. Guys. Brute. Let's go. Let's go. Just wait until I finish grinding. This light fruit is so good at grinding. Yo, I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. Dang. I'm lagging. So here we go now. Might be taking a while. So yeah. Okay. 3 more and we are level I think we're going to level 56, I guess. Yo, let's go. We can now defeat Buggy. Let's go defeat Buggy now. What? What the? Yo, what the? Yo, what's happening? Bro. Yo. What the? Nah, bro, hell nah. Just gonna get defeat Buggy right now. Let's go. Buggy, this is your... I'm the strongest pirate in the game. So now guys, I defeated Buggy. Now I defeated Buggy. So you're going... So the episode 2 of this journey will be in the episode 2. So yeah. Thank you for watching this